An expansion of New York's slow down move over law takes effect tomorrow, but some New Yorkers were just hearing about this change today.
I didn't hear anything.
No, but I always move over if I see flashing lights.
The move over law, enacted in 2010, required drivers to slow down and change lanes if safely possible when they encounter a vehicle with flashing lights stopped at the roadside.
It was just emergency vehicles before.
The expansion starts tomorrow and will cover disabled vehicles as well as ambulances, police cars, fire trucks, construction and maintenance vehicles, as well as tow trucks. 22 states already have similar move over laws in effect. If you see a vehicle stopped on either shoulder of the road, change into a lane not immediately adjacent to the vehicle, or slow down to a reasonable safe speed if you are unable to safely make a lane change in time. Between 2016 and 2021, 37 people were struck and killed by moving automobiles while outside a disabled vehicle in our state, despite its move over law that took effect in 2010. Governor Hochul signed legislation last year to include the same protection for all vehicles that are stopped on the roadside.
Now it should be everything.
Nationally, about 300 drivers are struck and killed roadside each year. All 50 states have move over laws in place to protect first responders and law enforcement, but about 1/3 of Americans are not aware of these laws. New Yorkers are reminded to slow down and move over because it's now the law. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News.